so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at what's behind me. Whoa, a really cool sign. What does it say? Kart International Speedway. Yeah! Today, I'm at Kart International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Hey, and check out that and that. What are those? Yeah, those are go-karts. Today, you and I are gonna learn and drive some go-karts. Whoa! Did you see those? Those were flags. Yep, and when you're racing go-karts, it's very important to listen to the flagger. Yeah, because the go-kart engines are so loud, they probably can't yell at you. And through the helmet, you can't hear them. So you can communicate with colored flags. Let's learn about them. Whoa, what color is this flag? Yeah, that flag is the color green. And this means it's the start of the race. As soon as that green flag drops, it's go time. Oh, look at this flag. Yeah, this flag is the color yellow. Yeah, and the yellow flag, when you see the flagger, that means to slow down. Yeah, do not pass. That might mean that there's a little problem on the track. So be very careful. It means caution. Whoa, look at this flag. Wow, yeah, the color red. Just like a stop sign or a stoplight, it means stop immediately. There might be a big problem on the track. Maybe a couple carts spun out and they're blocking the track. Yeah, who knows? This flag just means to stop when you see it. Oh, another flag. Whoa, what color flag is this? Yeah, one of my two favorite colors. This is the blue flag. And when you see the flagger moving it up, that means move over, let others pass. Yeah, maybe I'll be going really slow. And that means if I see the blue one, I'm gonna move over to let others pass. Yeah, it's really important to be safe on the track. Oh, look at this one. Black flag. You are out of the race. Oh no, that doesn't sound like fun. Yeah, you might get this if you did something you shouldn't have, like maybe bumped people. Yeah, you're not supposed to bump during go-karts. These aren't bumper cars, they're go-karts. Oh, yeah, the white flag. That means one lap remaining. Oh, you know what this means? Give it some gas and go for the win. And the last flag. Yep, the black and white checkered flag. That means the race is over and that you probably won. Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, it's a go-kart. Yeah, we're learning about go-karts. Hey, let's learn the parts of a go-kart. Whoa, this thing is so awesome. Hey, do you know what this is called? Yeah, this is where you sit. Yeah, and this is called a seat. Whoa, look at what I'm holding. Yeah, this is the steering wheel. Pretty cool, huh? This is how you turn left and you turn right. Yeah, just like steering a car or a truck. Yeah, go-karts also have a steering wheel. Look at what my feet are pushing on. Yeah, this. See the red? That is the brake pedal. Yeah, if you push down on that, this is gonna stop the go-kart. And you see this one over here? What color is this one? Yeah, that's the color green. And you know what green means? Green means go! Whoa! Whoa, check this out. Yeah, one great thing about go-karts is they're nice and safe because they have a seatbelt. You have to remember to always wear your seatbelt. Yeah, And then, obviously, we'll be wearing a helmet too. Whoa! Look at right here. Right in the center, this is where you fill up the go-kart with fuel. This go-kart takes gas. Let's open it up. Whoa! It's nice and full in there. I think it's ready to ride. So hey, have you ever seen the engine of a go-kart? Come check it out. All right. Wow. Look at this. So let's pull off the cover. Whoa! Look at the engine of the go-kart. Whoa! This is what creates the power. The gas goes in here, mixes with air, and then there's a spark from a spark plug, and then power is created. Wow, what a cool machine. I think it is time to ride the go-kart. Whoa! Check out all of these go-karts. I am so excited to beat the lap record. Whoa, check them out. Whoa, do you see all of these go-karts? Yeah, all of these go-karts have a red number plate. So cool. Whoa, and look at all of these go-karts. All of these go-karts have a black number plate. Whoa, there's so many numbers. Come on. Whoa, look at this number. What number is this? There's a 1 and a 6. Yeah, 16. Yeah. Whoa. 2 of the same number. And both of the numbers are 2. 2, 2. What number is that? Yeah, 22. Good job. Hey, I have a simple math equation for you. Let's see. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! The number 3! Yeah! These go-karts look so much fun. Hey, let's pick one at the front, and then let's go for a ride! Let's see. How about this one? All right, let's hop in. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not quite yet. You need to be very safe while you ride a go-kart. Let's go pick out a helmet. Whoa! Look at all of these helmets we can choose from. Whoa, I am so excited. Whoa. Check out this helmet. Yeah, this helmet looks so cool. It's the color green, black, white, whoa, and shiny silver. Whoa. Ooh, looks like we have one of my 2 favorite colors. Yeah, a blue helmet. Wow, this looks like a cool helmet. Whoa, look at this helmet. Yeah, what color helmet is this? Yeah, the color pink. I like this helmet. Helmets are really important to keep your head nice and safe while we're out go-karting. Can't forget about the color red. Whoa, look at this. Ring, ring, ring. And the last color helmet that we have is the color yellow. Yeah, that's a nice color. Kind of reminds me of the color of the sun, huh? Yeah. Man, there are so many colors of helmets here. What color helmet would you pick? Oh, I love that color. But I need a helmet right now. Let's see. I have an idea. Why don't I use some of my own safety equipment? Pants! Yeah! Woohoo! Gloves. Whoa! Yeah! Helmet. Yeah! Now I'm ready to race. Ha! Let's go! All right, I think I am ready. Sit in the go-kart. Ooh, safety first. We have to wear our helmet, and we need to make sure we're buckled up.
All right, Blippi, you look completely ready to go. The track record, 23.3. You think you can beat that?
I've never been more ready in my life. But wait a second, what's my time?
23.29. New track record!
Oh, look at it! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Jeez, that was awesome! Did you see how fast we went? Oh, I love go-karts! Wow, this has been so much fun at Kart International Speedway in Tukwila, Washington. Woohoo! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi! Good job! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! It's me, Blippi, and today we're at Rolling Robots in West Los Angeles. This store is awesome. Come on! Whoa! Check it out! Wow, this place is all about robots, and I sure do love robots. Whoa, hey, here's one right here. Let's wind it up and let it go. Oh, silly robot. Wow, let's check out what else is in here. Whoa, look at all of these. Oh, here's a robot. It's like a brush. Ooh, I wonder what this one does. I don't know, but it's blue and gray. Wow. Whoa, this one looks like it cleans. Me. Oh, what kind of animal does this look like? Yeah, a crab. And this one kind of looks like an insect. Wow, pretty cool. Look at all the legs. And here's one way over here. Huh, this one must color. Pretty cool. Let's continue to explore. Whoa, look at these. These are all trophies. Check it out. Wow. This team won this trophy because they took these robots and then completed this challenge really quick. Wow, good job, team. Whoa, and there's some more cool things back here. Wow, look at this area. This area has a bunch of robots and a bunch of really cool objects. Check them out. Whoa, what color are these? Whoa! This one is the color blue, and this one is the color orange. My my 2 favorite colors. All right, time to operate some robots. Ready? Here we go! All right, let's continue to explore. Do you see these robots? All of these robots were designed, built, and coded by kids. Check this out. Whoa! Look, this is the Blippi bot. Whoa! Hey, Blippi bot! Even my hat is on Blippi. And check this out. The Blippi bot loves to give high fives. Watch! Whoa! Watch this! Over here! Yeah! Now a double! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! Who are you?
My name is Sammy.
Ooh, Sammy, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. What are you doing?
I'm working on code for my robot.
Whoa, code? What does that mean?
Code is like instructions that you give to a robot to tell it what to do.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Will you show me a robot that you've coded before?
Oh, yes. Right over here is a robot that I built and coded with my team.
Wow, this is a really cool robot. Have you named this robot before?
No, we actually haven't. I don't know why.
Huh, well maybe you and I can think of a name for this robot after we see what it does. Will you show us what it does?
Sure.
Whoa. Whoa.
The robot makes stacks of cubes.
Did you see that? Oh, that's so cool. Well, I think we should name this Stacky. Yeah, Stacky. Stacky the robot. Oh, that is so cool. And these blocks are so colorful. Well, thank you, Sammy, for showing us Stacky. Check this out way back here. I'll see you later, okay?
Bye.
See ya. Come back here. Did you see these robots? I saw more robots and got excited and wanted to check them out. Look at it. It's so cool that robots can do so many different things. Like this one. Do you see that? What's that on top? Yeah, that is a clock. Yeah, what if you're like all the way on one side of the house and you don't know what time it is? Yeah, you program and code your robot to then go right to where you are, so then you can tell the time. So silly. Whoa, this one. Check this out. Wow. Whoa. This one has a little claw. Hello. Whoa. Whoa. And this looks like you can probably open it up, close it on something, and pick something up. Wow. Whoa, and look down here. Whoa. What are these? I don't know. What are these? I don't know. Just kidding. These are hollow cubes. This one's a blue hollow cube, and this one is a red hollow cube. And the kids that program these robots, they program them to pick them up and move them. Yeah, and tell these robots to help them do things. Yeah, like these. They can even tell them to put them on their eyes like glasses. Hello. Hello. They can stack these, or maybe they could tell the robot to throw them in the air. Woohoo! That's so silly. Oh, check out this case over here. See this case? They told me that there's a lot of robot parts in here. Yeah, and then maybe you and I can put all the parts together and build a robot. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Whoa! All of this robot stuff has been so much fun. I'm excited to see what's inside. Whoa, check it out. It's a robot building coat. Wow, how do I look? Yeah, Team Rolling Robots. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Now it's time to build a robot. Wow. Whoa, a C channel. Whoa, and big gears. And here's the motor attached to a bunch of gears. Do you see that? Whoa, this is the claw. Ew, ew, ew. Ooh, and we even have some nuts and bolts. Wow. Okay, well, I don't know where to start with this. This looks pretty tricky. Well, hey, check these robots out. Wow, look at this one. Remember it from earlier? Yeah, it looks like an insect. Hello. Okay, let's see how to do this. Let's turn it around. Turn like a circle. All right, here we go. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Do you see it? Wow, you built up all the energy, and when you let it go, it walked like an insect. Yeah, wait a second. What's this robot do? Yeah, remember? Yeah, we talked about how it looks like it. Colors. Do you see the colors of these markers? What colors are they? Yellow, blue, and red. Yeah. All right, let's take off the caps. Here we go. Now, let's put it on this white piece of paper right here. And then let's turn it on. Whoa! Whoa, look at it spin. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Wow! Look at it. Whoa! That's awesome!
Hi!
Whoa!
Look at your amazing artwork!
I know, look at it! Wait,
I bought some robot for you.
you did? What did you bring? A robot?
A robot that we can battle,
Whoa!
but you have to first build it.
Really? So if I build this robot, you and I can battle our robots together?
Yes.
Okay.
I bought your screwdriver,
Ooh, a screwdriver?
and I bought you the battery.
Ooh, a battery!
That's the energy source for the robot.
Okay.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you.
Have fun.
All right, thanks. Oh, here we go. Did you hear that? So if I build this robot, she and I can battle our robots. Whoa, we have the motor, we have a gear. Ooh, and these look like the legs. Do you remember that robot from earlier that looked like an animal? Yeah, it was the robot that looked like a crab. Yeah, so that's what we are going to build. Here we go. We did it! Good job, check it out. It's a Blippi robot, and this one is a Blippi crab robot. Woohoo! Good job.
Good job, Blippi.
Oh, hey, Bing.
You finished it.
Yeah, that
What
was
a-
so much fun.
That's amazing. So
Yeah.
now it's a time for battling. Are you ready?
Battling? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's move this platform for us. That's
Okay.
our arena today.
Okay, so
And
how do we play?
I have a robot.
Okay.
And we're gonna turn on. Here is a switch.
All right.
We're gonna turn our switch on. Look, our robots are ready.
Okay.
And we're gonna put on each side of our platform.
Okay, last one to stay on the platform wins. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Oh no! We both
You
fell.
won! Good
Yay!
job!
Let's do one more time.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Oh, I lost lost the little arm.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. But
There's
I
your arms.
can still do the battle.
My arms are gone.
That's all right.
That's okay.
We can just live without.
Maybe without the arms. Maybe this time I'll win. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Your robot is so easy
Okay.
to fall. Let's try
All right.
one more time.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh my God, Percy, you won!
Wow,
Good
that
job.
was so much fun. All right, let's go continue to explore rolling robots. Woohoo! Whoa, hello! Hello! Hey, remember Sammy from earlier? Yeah, I think he's practicing for a robot duel. I think you and I should accept his challenge and go in for a duel. Let's go! Whoa, hey Sammy!
Hi, Blippi.
All right, what are we doing here?
We're gonna try to knock down all of these towers as quick as we can.
Okay, all right, let me grab the remote. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Oh, one left. Here we go.
One more.
Oh, another one. Whoa! There we go. Whoa! Good job. That was so much fun. Well, thank you for having us at Rolling Robots. All right. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Woohoo! Today we're at the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. And look at these. These are Go Karts. And this is a green Go Kart. This is a red Go Kart. And this is a blue Go Kart. I am so excited. Look at these two go-karts! They're my two favorite colors. This go-kart is the color orange. And this go-kart, yeah, is the color blue. Now it's time for me to teach you the parts of a go-kart. Oh hey, and look at this. Yeah, it's a go-kart. So the first thing on go-karts are all of them have 4 wheels and tires. See right here? This is a wheel and tire, and it's really small. It's so cute. So this is the first wheel and tire. This is the second wheel and tire. This right here is the third wheel and tire. Ooh. And this is the last wheel and tire. It's the fourth wheel and tire. Whoa. Ooh, and look at this. Yeah. This, that's the bumper guard. It's there to keep you safe, so then you don't run and drive into things like this. Whoa! All right. Woo! Whoa. Look at this back here. This? Yeah, this is the spoiler. They put spoilers on go-karts and super fast cars, because it creates some downforce and it adds about 3 million horsepower to the vehicle. Wow, that's fast. Ooh, and look down here. This is the engine of the go-kart. It has an air filter, spark plug, muffler, oil, and so many other things. Well, how the engine gets all of its power is it needs some fuel. Just like how you and I need food, the go-kart needs food too. And right here, right here is the gas tank. Whoa, I think you and I should fill it up and put in some gas in the go-kart. Let's put our safety glove on. Here we go. Wow. All right, put the spout right here. Turn it up. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I think it's nice and full now. So let's put the cap back on. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Then we turn on the on switch right there. Then all you have to do is pull the string. 3, 2, 1. A little harder this time. Even a little harder this time. Yeah, good job. Whoa. All right, so this right here, this is the seat of the go-kart. This is where the driver, yeah, me, you, this is where we gonna sit today. So, let's take a seat. Whoa, yeah, I kinda like this. Okay, but first things first, when operating a go-kart, yeah, safety first. Let's put on our seatbelt. Just like we're in a vehicle, any vehicle, you should wear a seatbelt. All right, here we go. Oh, and down here, see this? This brake pedal is what you push when you want to stop. Whoa, whoa. And this pedal right here, whoa! That, yeah, is the gas pedal. That's what makes you go forward and backward. And this is the steering wheel. Whoa! This is what turns the go-kart. Here we go! Riding go-karts is so much fun! The cool thing about go-karts are there's so many different kinds, like the ones we just rode, and then also these ones. Come look! Look at this! This go-kart is so small! That's funny! Ooh, there's one up here for you and I to ride. Whoa, yeah, this green cart looks like a dandy. All right. We need to turn it on. So, you remember, you put on your glove, and then give it a pull. Yeah! Whoa! The cool thing about these small go-karts are anyone that's 38 inches or above can ride. Woo! Whoa! And trust me, I'm above 38 inches. So first things first. Yeah! Safety first. Gotta put on your seatbelt. Nice and tight. All right, now the gas pedal. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? I just crashed. But since go-karts only go forward, you have to use this tool when you crash into something because you can't go forward anymore. See? It's like a piece of rebar with a hook on the end. Wow. Okay, check this out. Hook it under there. Give it a little pull. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Yeah! Yeah! Now we can go to drive again. Here we go. Whoa! That was really fun riding this go-kart. But I think now is the perfect time to ride the big carts. Whoa! Ooh, look at what it is. Wow, this is a big kid's go-kart. Yeah, it's so powerful. It's so powerful, it was even imported from the country of France. Ooh, and check that out down there. Yeah! This go-kart has LED headlights and go to the back. And it even has tail lights. Do you see them? And when you push on the brake, yeah, it even has working brake lights. Whoa, this go-kart is so powerful, you need to be 16 years old and have a valid driver's license. Lucky for me, I'm both. Yeah! So that means we can start it up. So let's flip on the switch and give it a pull. Whoa! It sounds like it has so much power too. So let's take a seat in the seat. And let's put on our seat belt because it has so much power. Whoa. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be so much fun. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! This go-kart is so fast. Learning about go-karts with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Yeah, Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what I have in my hand. Whoa, do you know what this is? This is a skateboard, and I think you and I should learn about skateboarding. Come on. Whoa, look at this store. This is the Brooklyn Projects in Los Angeles, California. Whoa, this place is so cool. Whoa, check this out over here. Whoa, cool apparel. Whoa, look at these designs up here. Ooh, look at this. It's all fuzzy like a monster. And it's the letter W. Pretty cool. Whoa, come check it out. Skateboard decks up there, even BMX bikes. Whoa, this store owner must really love skateboarding and BMX bikes. Whoa, what's over here? Hey! Whoa, what are you doing? Whoa, are you feeding the fish? The shop has a bunch of fish. Here you go. All right, throw it in there. Whee! All right, bye-bye, fish. All right, see you soon. All right, hey, I think it's time to see if one of the workers will help me learn how to skateboard. Come on. Whoa, pretty cool. Here's one, come on. Hey, good sir, carry this in.
How's it going?
Do you know who that is? That's Shaun White. He's won 3 gold medals in the Olympics for snowboarding. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. And he's a professional skateboarder. Let's ask him for help.
How can I help you?
Just curious if you could help me learn to skateboard today.
Oh yeah, you want to learn how to skateboard? You know, I've been skateboarding my whole life. Love doing big airs and things. I'm just setting this board up, and we'll take you out back. Show you how to do it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, awesome.
Whoa, check it out.
Yeah,
Whoa, this is a big ramp. Is this where you skateboard at?
this is.
Oh, pretty cool. All right, well, will you show us?
Well, hold on. You know, you're gonna need some protective gear first.
All right, what's
Yeah.
that?
Check out my buddy Wilder here.
Whoa.
He's got a helmet.
Wow.
Yep. Then he's got his elbow pads.
Right here?
Yep. And then you got your knee pads down here.
Ooh, and this
Yeah.
is to help protect you for if you
Yep.
fall?
Just in case of a fall.
Whoa, that's
be all
pretty
safe.
cool. And what are you gonna wear to be safe?
Brought my lucky helmet.
Okay, well, put it on and let's
All
see you
right.
ride.
Here we go, guys.
All right, here, you wanna come this way? Let's go.
Here we go.
That was so cool!
Well, you know, I've been working really hard at this for a long time, so if you practice, you make perfect.
Oh, well that's good to know. Can I try now?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay, first thing, put the board down.
Okay.
I'm gonna put your helmet on.
All right.
There you go. Okay, now put whatever front foot feels good.
Okay.
Right toward the front of the board.
All right.
And then you pull the back foot on.
Oh.
And then you keep your knees bent.
Whoa.
That's the key.
Whoa.
There you go.
Wow. Whee. Whoa. This is harder than it looks. Whoa. Oh. Oh.
All right, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
But I think I know what you're missing.
What is it?
Yeah. Here we go.
Whoa.
Got that for you.
An official Shaun White space t-shirt? Yeah! That's totally what I'm missing. Okay, let's put this on.
Right on. Here we go. Help you there?
Oh. That's silly. Okay.
All right. Looking
How do we
good.
look?
Looking
Yeah.
pretty good.
Oh, and you know what else?
Yeah.
The souls of the animal kingdom. Eagle, fox, bottlenose dolphin, octopus, house cat. Ah! I'm ready.
Blippi, that was amazing, especially for your first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for teaching me. With a good teacher, you can do a lot of cool things.
No problem at all. Well, hey, I had an amazing time skating with you. I gotta head to another skate park, but we should do this again sometime. Maybe I'll take you to the mountains and go snowboarding.
Really?
Yeah,
Well,
try
I
that
really
out.
appreciate it. All
See
right.
you, bud.
See ya. Did you hear that? Maybe I'll get to go snowboarding with Shaun White. Woo! Hey! Whoa, check it out. Let's learn how to build a skateboard. See this? Whoa! This is a skateboard deck. Whoa, and this one has a really cool design. Check it out. Whoa! That's silly. And see this on top? This is grip tape. Whoa, it's kind of like sand and you can't move at all. So then your feet don't slip and slide. Okay, and this is what's called a truck. Ooh, and you know what these are, right? Yeah, wheels. And how these work, you put the wheel on the truck, put the other wheel on the truck, and then you screw in the nut and make it nice and tight. And then you do the other one. Whoa! All right. There we go. Whee! See it spin? Perfect. All right, so you have 2 trucks, all right? And then put them on the bottom. After you put these bolts through, let's put 4 of them in there. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, 4. Perfect. Okay, let's put the truck right here. This is a little tricky. Okay, all right. There we go. Alrighty, and then you put some of these right on there and you spin it around and you make it nice and tight. Okay, watch this. Okay, 1 of 2 is done. Perfect. And then this other one. And there we go. Check it out. It's a completed skateboard. Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? Wow, that was so much fun learning about skateboarding with you. If you think skateboarding sounds fun, you should try it. But always remember to wear your helmet and all of your safety equipment. But hey, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. All right, let me put on my helmet. Okay, there we go. Let's go. See you later.
Blippi, so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout. Blippi.